Hey guys, a month ago I did a demo on Wealthsimple Trade, the $0 commission stock trading app, or as some call it, the Robinhood for Canadians. I did a very detailed review on the app features and bought some Apple shares in my last video. Today I'll be selling those Apple shares to buy Aurora Cannabis stock. I'll walk you guys through the order executions on Wealthsimple Trade step by step, so be sure to like and subscribe to this video. Here we go. So I've just launched the app here, and this is the home screen. You can see my $1,000 Canadian I deposited last month is now $1,021. Wow, McDonald's on me tonight. Scrolling down here, this is my current portfolio in Wealthsimple Trade. I founded this account strictly for the sake of trying this out and creating the review. You can see that I currently hold Apple and Microsoft stocks. Going to the sidebar here, you can see my trade history. I deposited $1,000 at the end of January and bought 2 Apple shares for the last demo on February 4th. And here's the trade confirmation. Then I also bought Microsoft stock on February 8th. Apple paid me a dividend on the 19th, about 73 cents US per share, but the dividends are paid out in Canadian dollars because Wealthsimple Trade does not hold US dollar account. Now let's go ahead to sell my Apple stocks. Scrolling down here, you can see some stats about the stock here. I want to click sell. I only have 2 shares, so I'll enter 2. On the top here, you can see your order type. You can click and switch to limit order if you want to, but for this demo, I'm just gonna use market order. Click continue, and the app is now asking me to confirm the sale of 2 shares. Note that Wealthsimple Trade does charge an exchange conversion fee of 1.5%, which is included in the estimated exchange rate here. I know this is going to eat into my profit, but it's okay, I'm just doing a demo here. If you stay to the very end, I'll explain about the Wealthsimple currency exchange fees at the end of this video. So now I'll click confirm order. Now my order is sent. You can see now I have 1 order pending. My shares haven't been executed yet. This can take sometimes 30 seconds to a minute, even with a market order. And here we go. Sell order executed. You can click the sell here and see the exact price I sold my Apple shares at, and these nasty exchange conversion fees. Next, I'll do the same to sell my Microsoft shares. Click Microsoft and scroll down to sell. You can see my buy here on February 8th, and now click sell and enter the share size once again. Confirm. Order sent. And here we go. Order executed at 109.52 cents. You can see that they've just sent me a confirmation email as well. Now back to the dashboard, I now have $1,003 Canadian to buy Aurora Cannabis shares. Now to buy Aurora Cannabis, I'm scrolling down to my watch list. I already have Aurora here. Stock ticker symbol ACB on Toronto Stock Exchange. You can see it's trading at $10.50 Canadian, which means I won't need to pay any more currency exchange rate this time around. I'm going to click buy. Enter 50 shares. Again, I'm just gonna use a market order. Here it's telling me the estimated price I'll get executed at. It should be around $10.49, and the total cost basis should be $524. And confirm. So my order is now sent. Market buy pending of 50 shares of ACB, Aurora Cannabis. And I just received the email confirmation. Let's see what price I got filled at. Here we go. Now I have 50 shares of ACB with an average of $10.47. And it's 100% of my portfolio because that's the only stock I have here in this account. Again, down here you can see some summary details about the company if you want, and the past performance of the stock. Now, let's go back to my trade history again. You can see all the past orders I've executed, Apple buys and sells, same as Microsoft, and the dividend payout from Apple, and now my buy order on Aurora Cannabis. So now I only have $479 left available to trade in this account. Now I'm going to talk about Wealthsimple Trade's exchange conversion fees. But if you want to skip that part and go watch my in-depth review of the app's interface and features, you can click on the link on the top right. Okay, finally, it's time to talk about Wealthsimple Trade exchange conversion fees, which is one of the many ways they actually make money from this app. It's 1.5% here when you buy or sell American stocks on this app. It's true that this is the standard though, which is usually 1.5 to 2% depending on which broker you use. They have to do this to make money, but users like you and I should be mindful for that because this could eat into your profit. Personally, I don't recommend buying US listed stocks with Wealthsimple Trade. I did it in my last video and this one just as a demo. Wealthsimple Trade says here they will roll out the option of opening a USD account in the future, but at this point we don't know when that kind of update will happen. So I totally use this app to buy and sell Canadian stocks like Aurora, Cannabis, banks like RBC or Shopify. But for US listed stocks, I'd use other more sophisticated brokers like Questrade. With Questrade, you have the option of opening US dollar accounts or registered account like TFSA or RRSP. With Wealthsimple Trade right now, you'd only be able to open cash accounts. But if you're interested in buying US dollar stocks the cheapest way possible, I'll have a video on how to do that step by step with Questrade. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want a more detailed walkthrough going over Wealthsimple Trade interface, I have a video for that down below. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. This is the Humble Trader. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.